All right, I think this is it. I think we got a bottom in the gold here, expecting something kind of like this. All right, maybe you get a little one more or less shakeout before the fall, before you get the real, the real move here. All right, you can see it's got this line here that was this wedge, right? Everyone was looking at this kind of a move here, and everyone thought this is it. But obviously, too many guys who are weak hands got on board, so we got this washout. But look here, this is it's kind of too steep, you know. I mean, it's coming back here. It might trickle down here, but eventually, I think this thing has got some juice ready. So let's keep an eye. You don't want these futures though, unless that's your thing. It's not mine, so I want to go with the miners. Check out Newmont, the big one here. Okay, same story. You've got this going on. We got that kind of I don't know. I mean, that ain't right. You never want to see that. A broadening kind of a top there, that ain't good. So just be careful. Definitely you're going to want to use a stop here. So if you get some kind of a, one of these, you're not in there. Hopefully this thing can kind of just maybe and then. Now, broadening thing here, this is a broadening top formation. You never want to see that. You always want to see something that would be more like this, okay, like a tightening little formation, because then you can usually get a pop out of it. But look here, if we go to like a monthly here, let's check this out. I mean, this is just really just right there, okay? You've got this long-term move, all right? It's really just kind of, so I'd just be focusing on this, all right? You've got something like this going on, I think. You can do a net asset value on this. It's probably worth about, what, $70 or so, just on a discounted, like if you take a 10%, call it a 7.5 discounted cash flow on the 90 or so million ounces of gold they've got in reserve. Say they're going to get 75 million ounces out of the ground at, call it $2,000 maybe we get on gold. And then their all-in costs are about 1,000, so they're making 1,000 on 75 million. That's okay. That's what you're looking at on the math. That's why this thing could go higher. That's a catalyst that's out there. So, just keep an eye on it. And remember, as always, you're always going to want to, keep your stop right in here. It's not a good place to be if this is all nonsense and this thing takes a dive. All right, that's it. If you've enjoyed this, please consider subscribing and or liking. Thanks for watching.